Okay, for the next set of problems, the directions say solve the exponential equation, express the solution set in terms of natural logarithms. Okay, so if you look at number 5, e to the 4x equals 7, there's no way that you could rewrite this to have the same basis like we did for problems 1 through 4. Okay, so we can use our natural log to get rid of the e that we have in the equation, because what's going to happen if I take the natural log of e to the 4x? Okay, I know that the natural log of e will we say cancel each other out, but I can't take the natural log of one side without doing it to the other side. So we just call this taking the natural log of both sides. That's going to make my e cancel out, so that would give me 4x equals the natural log of 7. Okay, so if I wanted to solve for x, then I would just divide by 4. So that gives me x is equal to the natural log of 7 over 4. Now on the homework in my math lab, they may ask you for the exact answer. Okay, this is the exact answer, and you'll type it in just like this. Then it may also ask you for the approximate answer. And so in that case, you'll have to go to your calculator to type in or to get your solution for that. So I'm just going to type in the natural log of 7. And depending on your calculator, you'll have to just work with it to see. On mine, I have to hit 7 and then natural log. And I wouldn't round off. On my calculator, I'm getting 1.945. 910. I just keep in the calculator and hit divided by 4, and I get 0.486477537. Okay, I'm going to round it off to 4 decimal places, so this x is approximately equal to 0.4865. Okay, and they will tell you on my math lab how many decimal places that they would like you to keep. Okay, so I do recall a few of the problems asking you for both the exact answer and the approximate answer. Okay, let's look at number 6. We got e to the x plus 4 equals 2. So again, I cannot rewrite these to have the same base. So to get rid of the e, I can take the natural log of both sides. Okay, when I take the natural log of both sides, that's going to leave me with x plus 4 is equal to the natural log of 2. Okay, so then if I wanted to solve for x, I would have to subtract 4. So x would equal the natural log of 2 minus 4. Okay, be careful how you write that and how you type it in the calculator. It may be better if you write it as negative 4 plus the natural log of 2, just to make sure you don't get your negative 4 included in here as your argument. Okay, especially if you're working on the calculator. So this would be my exact answer, and then on my calculator I'm going to hit 2 natural log, and then that would be plus a negative 4, and I get negative 3.3, so I'm going to say approximately negative 3.3068. Okay, and that actually would round up to 0.9 or 69. That would be my approximate, and this would be my exact answer. Okay, number 7 looks similar to this problem. You got 4 to the x plus 4 equals 5 to the 2x plus 5. Okay, again, I can't rewrite these with the same base. So when you have that, you're going to want to use your natural log. So if I take the natural log of both sides, since I have logarithms now, I can use my product rule or my power rule to rewrite this. So if I carry down my exponent, using the power rule, I would have x plus 4 times the natural log of 4 equals 2x plus 5 times the natural log of 5. And what I'm going to actually do, keep the natural log written in this form and distribute. So I would have x times the natural log of 4 plus 4 times the natural log of 4. Do the same thing here. I would have 2x times the natural log of 5 plus 5 times the natural log of 5. Okay, and keep in mind, we're trying to solve for x. So that means I want all of my x terms to be on one side of the equation. So x times the natural log of 4 minus 2x natural log of 5 equals, I'm going to keep 5 times the natural log of 5 and then subtract 4 times the natural log of 4. So I have both of my variable terms on one side equal to my numerical terms. Okay, so if I want to solve for x, now I can factor out an x. So hopefully I have enough room here. If I factor out an x, that's going to leave me with natural log of 4 minus 2 natural log of 5 equals 5 natural log of 5 minus 4 natural log of 4. So now I can divide by this number that I have here. Okay, so if I divide, let me move over to the other side. This is what we have. X times natural log of 4 minus 2 natural log of 5 equals 5 times the natural log of 5 minus 4 natural log of 4. I'm going to divide by the natural log of 4 minus 2 natural log of 5 on both sides. So that gives my x by itself. X equals 5 times the natural log of 5 minus 4 times the natural log of 4 all over natural log of 4 minus 2 times the natural log of 5. Okay? Well, really easy to get lost in those numbers sometimes. This is your exact answer, so they may ask for that if you're on my math lab. This would be your exact answer. Then to get your approximate answer, you would need to go to your calculator. Just be very careful, store as much as you can in your calculator and not round. Okay, so I'm going to type in 5 natural log times 5 minus 4 natural log times 4 make sure I get these in here right.